Take a look at transactional analysis. Transactional analysis, known as TA, is a method of understanding behavior in interpersonal dynamics. In fact, there's an International Transactional Analysis Association found at www.itaaworld.org that publishes the Transactional Analysis Journal. We all have three major ego states that affect our behavior or the way we transact through communication. Parent. The critical parent is evaluative, while the sympathetic parent is supportive. Child. The natural child is curious, while the adopted child is rebellious. Adult. The adult is a thinking, unemotional state of ego. We change ego states throughout the day, even during a single discussion. A series of transactions can take place during different ego states. Generally, the most effective behavior, human relations, and performance come from the adult ego state. When interacting with others, you should be aware of their ego state because it will help you understand why they're behaving the way they are and help you to determine which ego state you should use during the interaction. Within ego states, there are three different types of transactions: complementary, crossed, and ulterior. Complementary: the sender of the message gets the intended response from the receiver. Crossed: the sender does not get the expected response. And ulterior: the person appears to be in one ego state, but his or her behavior comes from a different ego state. Attitudes affect your behavior and human relations. Within the TA analysis framework, you have attitudes toward yourself and towards others. Positive attitudes are described as okay, and negative attitudes are described as not okay. With positive attitude towards yourself and others, you have a greater chance for having adult to adult ego state communication. You can change your attitudes, and you should if they're not positive. Stroking is any behavior that implies recognition of another's presence. Strokes can be positive and make people feel good about themselves, or they can be negative and hurt people in some way. Giving praise, positive strokes, is a powerful motivation technique that's easy to use and costs nothing.